Once we finish Kali Linux installation and it's up and running, and before starting using it for different attack and for scanning and for capturing information, the first thing you need to do is to update the Armitage. Armitage is filled of tools and software that is used for penetration testing. And those tools keep getting changed. So Armitage has a repository of all those packages. We usually call them package, not program. And most of the time you will find update happening to them or upgrade happening to them. So maybe there is some packages in the repository that has been recently updated or some upgrade has been there. But if you start using them right away from Armitage, you're going to use the old version. So the first thing you need to do after installing Kali Linux, it's to update the repository and upgrade if any package has been upgraded. How can we do that? For the first thing, which is updating, you just open a terminal and you type apt -get update. And you need to do that frequently. Whenever every couple of months or something, you just check if there is any update happening or not. And the first time that you're going to do that, it will take time because this is a new installation and you are missing all the update. Once he finished doing that, actually it's going to take time on my machine as well, so I'm going to keep it running, but I'm going to show you a second command as well. Open a terminal, which is, second command will be also apt -get upgrade. Okay. And as you can see, he's going to check if there is any update, any software, any packages that need to be upgraded or not, and you'll get this. You'll get this message, and you click on yes. Here you go, and he's going to check for any upgrade and so on. You should not do it the same way I'm doing it by having both of them running in the same time. I'm just saving you time to show you the couple of comments. So update has been completed, okay, because I recently did it, so it didn't take that much of time. And now I'm upgrading all the new packages. So to summarize, first step will be installing Kali Linux, and then before starting using those packages and those penetration testing tool, you have to upgrade them and update them. And this will take sometimes the first time you're running. I mean, it may take like 10-15 minutes or maybe more. But after that, since you got the updated repository, when you do that frequently every few months, it will not take time. Okay. So this is how to update and upgrade the package repository in Kali Linux.